How to upload presentation document on Canva. First thing you're going to have to do is open up your web browser. So click on your web browser to open it up. Then if you have the app, you can directly use the app, or if you're using the web browser, search for canva.com and hit enter. Now you'll be taken directly to Canva's official website. Now all you have to do here is simply create a new presentation document, or if you already have the presentation open on your device, what you can do is head over to your presentation and then simply click drag and drop it on Canva like this. Or what you can do is open up the file on Canva and upload it from there, or you could just go ahead and drag and drop the file. So let me just click on this and then drag and drop it right here to copy it. And as you can see, the document is now uploading. What you can also do is go to any of your blank presentations. So let's just create a new one here, and it will create a new document for me. On the left side, you'll find the upload icon. Click on uploads, and now you can upload your file here. Click on upload files and select the file that you want to upload here. Then you're good to go. So as you can see, the file is being uploaded. So let me just open it up on Canva and then click on apply all 15 pages. So all of the presentation will be added to Canva. So as you guys can see here, now I can edit each and every element of this PowerPoint like this. So that's how you do it. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. I'll see you on the next one.